गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो वी फेयरली सेटल्ड इन द न्यू हाउस। कुछ दिन हो गए हैं, अभी बहुत सारी सेटिंग बाकी है बट फंक्शनल है, नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ जी पा रहे हैं। फाइनली मेरा वर्क फ्रॉम होम स्टार्ट हो गया, काम से थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लिया, सोचा कि लंच बनाती हूँ और लंच बनाते बनाते आप लोगों से बातें करती हूँ क्योंकि देयर वर जस्ट सम थिंग्स इन माय माइंड एंड आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टॉक इट आउट विद द न्यू फैमिली दैट आई एम क्रिएटिंग हियर ऑनलाइन। तो लंच बनाते हैं और साथ में बातें करते हैं। लंच में प्लान है बनाने का आलू गाजर एंड ऑब्वियसली इफ यूर अ पंजाबी यू वुड नो आलू गाजर मटर। ऑल्दो ये होती तो विंटर्स की वेजिटेबल है बट बहुत दिनों से खाई नहीं थी एंड मैंने और विजुर ने सोचा कि चलो लेट्स ट्राई दैट। सो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक। वर्क फ्रॉम होम का एक फायदा तो है दैट यू कैन मेक फ्रेश फूड वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट। Like not whenever you obviously have to time it with your meetings, but आप रोज फ्रेश खाना खा सकते हो। मैं तो ऐसे ही करती हूँ। I start early in the day and then usually around 11 or 12 is when I start cooking. I usually just make one sabzi per day and then it is good enough for 2 days. अब जैसे आज ये बनेगी तो this will work for the next day as well. And if you're a 9 to 5er like me, you can totally relate because don't we all do this? एक बार खाना बनाते हैं और वो 2 दिन तो चलता ही है। And I know our Indian mothers are not going to like it, but it is what it is. We have to make the best of our time. रोज रोज खाना बनाना तो बहुत मुश्किल है। Also टॉकिंग अबाउट 9 to 5s, यार मैं तो आज ही सुबह सोच रही थी वन थिंग दैट रियली पेन्स मी इज द लिमिटेड टाइम ऑफ दैट वी गेट। एवरेज इन अ बेसिक पोजिशन यू गेट 15 PTO which is 15 paid time off days and then if you know climb up the ladder, corporate ladder, तो वो दिन बढ़ते जाते हैं 15 से 20 and most of us usually like to use all of that time together and make a trip back home, in my case which is India. I've been doing that for quite some years and this year I decided to actually take a pause and मैंने कहा मुझे feel करना है कैसा होता है if you are not able to, like if you spread your days off throughout the year, how does it feel? It is actually feeling so weird because I've still not taken like a lot of time off. 6 months have already passed and I do have some time off left. Some नहीं, काफी बचा है and I do plan to take that. A lot of people use it for travel, vacation, which you know is the intention of these paid time offs that are provided to us. But आप बताओ, like don't you feel that 18 days वैसे देखा जाए तो it roughly comes to around 3 or 4 weeks, but in a lot of cases like at my workplace they don't prefer that we take it all together. They want us to spread it out because there needs to be enough coverage, because if I'm gone for 1 month that will severely affect my pending workload, or if there aren't enough people to back me up, and even if there are they just don't prefer that and it's always, you know, it all usually requires a very long explanation कि हाँ मुझे days off चाहिए, 1 महीने के लिए जाना है, पूरा समझाना, तो हर बार समझाना पड़ता है कि भाई हम इतनी दूर रहते हैं and it makes no sense to just go for a very short time. इतने छोटे टाइम में मतलब मेरे तो first 2-3 days तो जेट लैग में ही चले जाते हैं, उसके बाद सबसे मिलना सब करना and usually जब आप जाते हो there is something important, at least that is the case for me. Like I usually go when there is an important event to attend, like a very close friend's wedding, siblings wedding, or you know if there is a health issue with parents. Those are usually the only times that I go, and then when I go I need that time, like I at least need a month. Although for 1 month में you know towards the end you do start feeling a little bored in the sense क्योंकि कोई structure नहीं होता, routine नहीं होता, and you're kind of foreign in that in your home as well. But still यार वो time तो चाहिए just to go back and relax. I'm sure people who have kids is very different for them क्योंकि बच्चों के साथ जाना इतने लंबे टाइम के लिए जाना आसान नहीं होता होगा. But tell me how it is, like I have no idea. But ये paid time off तो एक ऐसी दुखती रग है, मतलब ये मुझे सबसे annoying part लगता है of working a regular 9 to 5 कि वो limited days off, क्योंकि not every employer is the same. Although I love my employer, but ये एक part है, you know, I feel like it should be understood कि यार immigrants को hire कर रहे हो, we only get to see our families once in 1 or 2 years. Just be chill with it and let us go and whatever. Not that my employer has said no, but I have worked for employers in the past who have not been very happy with this. It just didn't end up well. So that is that. देखते हैं ये साल कैसा रहता है. मुझे तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि oh my god, time off लेना है just to relax is feeling like a very weird this thing to me. कि ये concept ही नहीं समझ आ रहा है मुझे. क्योंकि ऐसे लगता है कि time off लिया है, it has to be used either towards a vacation back home or a vacation elsewhere. But good thing that I'm into content creation. So on my time off, I don't think I'll actually be able to relax. What I'll end up doing is working on this, you and me. Baki, it also made me think about all the Indianness that we have in our Canadian households. As Indians, we don't even realize. But yesterday when I was cleaning the house, I was like, "ये कितने घरों में अगरबत्ती होती होगी ना?" So yeah, that was one of the things that I noticed in my house because I am a big incense stick fan. Agarbatti incense stick, I light one every morning. Although the mandir setup is not done, but just generally, just for like good vibes, I feel at home. I feel at ease when I light those. Like this is my collection, and there are a lot more boxes. I usually try to get my agarbattis from India because वहाँ पे अभी बहुत अच्छे brands आ गए हैं which are using organic waste from actual temples and then using that waste to make incense sticks so that they are better for everyone around. There are no chemicals, no artificial ingredients involved, so it's good for you. Also, अगर you're into cooking or a lot of us have to cook, कितना ही बाहर से खा लोगे. हमारी स्पाइस रैक, ओहो उसकी तो बात ही मत करो. इतने सारे स्पाइसेस होते हैं हमारे पास. My spice rack is like any other Indian household जिसमें we have all खड़े मसाले और ऐसे random मसाले जो चाहिए होते हैं. And apart from that, I have more masalas that I got from India which are specialized, like specialized meat masala or specialized Amritsari chana masala. So this is all washed. One thing that we all do, almost everyone does, सबकी frequency different हो सकती है but करते सब हैं, is especially when like you're doing some household chores like cleaning or meal prepping, we are all talking to people back home, whether it's our parents, whether it's our siblings, it's our friends. Like I usually do this क्योंकि खाना बनाते बनाते you don't even realize कि कब खाना बन गया. And also this is a good time, like morning here is like night time there. Before they sleep you can just have a quick conversation. Although I'm not a big fan of using frozen items, but कभी-कभी करना पड़ता है. Especially things like peas and all. Like मटर छीलने का time तो नहीं है. You can save some time if you have some frozen veggies. I try to avoid them, but for something like peas, I use the frozen ones. Otherwise, everything comes in fresh. Every weekend, I order groceries or I go get them and then just make them fresh. सो गाइस, खाना मेरा बना नहीं था एंड बीच में मेरी मीटिंग का टाइम हो गया. सो आई स्टार्टेड अटेंडिंग माय मीटिंग एंड देन Vidur came and helped. He started making rotis so that we could have lunch on time. And वैसे भी वो rotis मुझसे better बनाता है. So I don't know how this guy is able to do it, but look at that. Like it's pretty round. So amazing. Works for me. And I'm so glad कि मैंने ये सब्जी बनाई because it was amazing. बड़ा मज़ा आया खा के. So I'm done with lunch. It's time to get back to work now. Thank you so much for cooking with me while I was on my lunch break. If you found any of this relatable, please do comment and let me know about the things that you feel that you're carrying a piece of your home in this foreign land. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.